Hello, my name is Lillian. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my edges without using brushes, combs or gel. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. I haven't combed my hair in a really long time. I think the last time I combed my hair was when I combed out my locks. That was in September, August or September, I can't really remember. But before then, I had not combed my hair in like months, and I think like 5 months or something like that. So I hardly comb my hair. I hardly use brushes. But there are times when I want to put my edges in order. I don't do that all the time. Sometimes I just go around my edges looking like this. But there are times when I just want to like put my edges in order, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that without brushing my hair. So the first thing I do is wet my hair, like wet my edges with water. So I just spray some water on my hair and like just smooth the hair with my hands. You guys can see my shoes. I use shoelace for this puff today. You want to do this before you get dressed, because it's messy, because you're going to have water dripping down your face. So I usually do this before I have my bath, so that when I'm done I just like wash my face in case I have like oils or butter dripping down my face. So I spray the water all around my hair, like down to the back. So after getting my edges wet, next thing I do is go in with my shea butter, my unwhipped shea butter. Then I take some butter and just apply on my edges. If you don't have butter, you can use a cream, like a thick cream for this. That might work, but shea butter is like it's like the only thing I use for this. So yeah, so like I'm just gently applying the butter all over my edges. So this is like how I put it, you're laying your edges but you're also moisturizing your hair. So like this is like a win-win a win-win situation. So after applying the butter all over my head, and I just like take my hand to smooth the hair. So because my hair is wet, it's easy to smooth, like it just obeys my hands as I move. So I just smooth the hair to smooth the butter and put my hair in place around my edges. I do this until when like I don't have lumps of butter showing on my hair. And I like my hair, like when I make puffs and buns, I like my hair to have like some texture, like the hair under the puff to have some texture. So I'll go in and spray some water on my hair. just pat the water into my hair to let it soak. So after doing that, I take my satin scarf and just wrap it around my hair. And I just like hit my hair to why am I doing this? To help it lay flat because I did not make my puff tight. Like if you watch my how to grow your edges video, I talked about like not making your puffs and your buns tight. So I did not make this tightly, but like patting it down helps give the illusion that I made it tight, you know. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm just going to leave my hair to let this sit for a few minutes. It depends on how much time I have. Sometimes I can leave it for up to 30 minutes or even 1 hour, or sometimes I even do it overnight. The longer you leave it, the more pronounced the texture is going to be when you're done. So I'm back. I ended up leaving the scarf on for a little over 30 minutes. So let me take it down now. My hair is still wet, so if I left it longer, it would have set a little bit more. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next